renovation update, day 32. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So in the bathroom, we've got more of the mosaic over here in the shower. And then I think more of the tiles over there. Something very exciting, we've got a new window over here that was installed. And we've got a new window over there, looking much better. This is just some touching up on the wall over here. And then on this side, that's a window that's been installed over there. And there it is on that side too, the window. And also behind me, we've got this whole big window over here. So that's a big update for day 32.